Hello everyone, hope you all are well. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Akfaisi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Langar Singh College, Muzaffarpur. Today in this video, I am going to explain about Diels-Elder reactions. So, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Hope this video will be helpful to you. So, let's start with Diels-Elder reactions. So, this is a type of cycloaddition. Now focus on what is meaning of cycloadditions. So if you read the cycloadditions, then again one question will come. This is a type of pericyclic reactions. Then again, what is the pericyclic reactions? So today I will focus on only Diels-Elder reactions. Next video I will discuss about the pericyclic. This is also a pericyclic reactions under cycloadditions. So you can see here in this reactions what happened here. This is diene. Why it is diene? Because diene means two or ene means double bond. So this compound contained two ene. So we are saying this is a diene. And this compound contains one single bond, and we are saying this is dienophile. So this double bond always waiting to this diene, and after cycloadditions. So here is important things we have to discuss. Okay, this type of reaction have the special name. You can see here this is two double bond means 4 electrons, and here single double bond, so 2 electrons. So we are saying 4 plus 2 cycloaddition. What is 4 plus 2 cycloadditions? All the time in competitive examinations they are asking 4 plus 2 reaction, the cycloaddition is known as Diels-Elder reactions. This is very important part. What will happen after the reactions? You can see two new bond formed between the carbon. Here no another things, only carbon is here. So two, here is single bond, here is single bond. Two new sigma bond formed, and you can see in the reactant you have 3 pi bonds, but in the products only 1 pi bond is there, and this pi bond is also new. So overall reactions is known as Diels-Elder reactions. This is also known as 4 plus 2 cycloadditions reactions. 4 pi electron is here, 2 pi electron is here. So cyclizations occurs and forming. There is no any atoms removed in byproducts. You see here CH2 is here. Yes, CH2 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4 hydrogen is here. You can here, you see 1, 2. So this is all about the Diels-Elder reactions. Now most of the time your peoples are in confusions in Diels-Elder reactions. If you see this sigmatropic rearrangement and people thinking that is the cycloadditions, no, this is a different types of reactions. Again you look at these molecules, again this is a different types of reactions. All these three are a types of pericyclic reaction. You see cycloaddition reactions here, two reactant and forming single. In sigmatropic rearrangement what will happen? Double bond position is here. Now you just flipping this side. What is the reaction mechanism? This is the type of concerted reactions. What is meaning of concerted? So we will discuss in next video. You see the electrocyclic reactions. Here also cyclization occurs, but this is not cycloaddition, because here this is a single compound and only electrons shifting from one position to two positions, and it is forming electrocyclic reaction. So this is point where we are discussing today, cycloaddition. Now you see the type of pericyclic reaction. In cycloaddition reactions, you see the shifting of double bond. In sigmatropic rearrangement, you see shifting of bonds and electrocyclic reaction. So we are focusing here. Now this is 1,3-cyclopentadiene, you know that, and this is alkene, you know that. Heating, that is very important. Why heat is very important for cycloadditions, especially Diels-Alder reactions? So you will learn these points, what is the importance of heat, what is important of light in higher classes, and I will discuss in pericyclic reaction also. 4+2 cycloaddition occurs, and this is the product. Now you see this is not the Diels-Alder reactions, but ethylene and ethylene undergo reactions in the presence of light and forming the cyclobutane. And this is a different type of reactions. This is also cycloadditions, but not Diels-Alder reaction. For Diels-Alder reaction, it is necessary diene and dienophile should be there. You see, here this is diene. Here dienophile is flanked by this group, means anhydride. 4+2 cycloaddition reaction occurs. Under heat it gives this product, but under light it is not going reaction. So there is something is here. Why light is not comfortable and heat is suitable conditions for such type of cycloadditions. So you see the cycloaddition 2+2 cycloadditions. This is not Diels-Alder reaction. So in the presence of light, it is happy to convert and forming this central 4-member ring. Now Diels-Alder reactions is a 4+2 cycloaddition in which a conjugated diene, this is conjugated system, so we are saying conjugated diene, called the diene, we are saying diene, react with the alkene groups or any alkyne group in a compound called the dienophile to give the cycloadduct. Adduct is also very important. When two things combine together, they are forming a duct called the Diels-Alder reactions. You see, we already discussed, you can see it also. Now this is the diene, this is dienophile. Under heat it gives Diels-Alder adduct. You see, again diene is flanked with CH2 group, but diene is here, and dienophile, this is triple bonds. So it is not necessary all the time double bond should be there. Triple bond is also work as dienophile. Under heat condition you will get the Diels-Alder reaction. Again see here diene and dienophile. So another type means retro Diels-Alder reactions. What does it mean? The Diels-Alder reaction is reversible. The equilibrium lies by far toward the Diels-Alder reactions at a lower temperature and at higher temperature toward the diene and dienophile. That is very important point because it's based on temperature. You see, at room temperatures, all the time if you see this diene, you will never get in the laboratory in this form. All the time at room temperature, you know the room temperature, all the time it forming in dimetic form. So before using, if you need the diene, so heat it and then it will convert. So that is important part for the synthetic point of view. If a Diels-Alder adduct is heated at a much higher temperature than the temperature at which it forms in a Diels-Alder reaction, it breaks down to give the diene and dienophile, as you see in this dienophile. And the reaction which is a cyclo reversion is called retro Diels-Alder reaction. This is cyclo reversion. You see. So here is confusions only this double bond we are using as a dienophile. So just concentrate on here. It is your diene, this is your dienophile. Now you can see here after heating. So retro Diels-Alder reactions, it is also pericyclic reaction, already I told you. So how it is breaking and forming this product. So diene must be in S configuration to participate in the Diels-Alder reaction. You see this both is in the this way S cis conformations and giving happily this product. But if it turns, there is a problem in cycloadditions, because you see angstrom 3.7 angstrom, it is only 2.5 angstrom. So their phase is matching, and this is also a quantum mechanical treatment. You will learn about the orbital thing in higher classes. So geometry is also important. Now you see how it is making the transition state, and already you see how it is integration. You see electron withdrawing group is better for dienophile, and electron drawing groups, electron donating group, if it is attached with the diene, it is much comfortable to diene. So electron donating group and electron withdrawing groups, then forming such type of cycloaddition product 4 plus 2. Again you see, if it is electron donating group on this where is diene, and electron withdrawing group attached on this dienophile, then such type of product will form. Now you see this is your diene and this is your dienophile. Dienophile have the configuration Z, and after 4 plus 2 cycloadditions, you see indo 5,6 dichloro bicyclo 2,2,2 octet oct2ene, this product name is formed. Now you see the here 4 plus 2 cycloadditions, again this is 4 plus 2 cycloadditions, only difference is CH2 groups. Again you see is different, is not Diels-Alder reactions. This is a cycloaddition but not Diels-Alder reaction. But here you can see this is a Diels-Alder reaction. Now you see the products. Again this is not Diels-Alder reaction because this is not 4 plus 2. This is the 4 plus 2. This is 4 plus 2. Again you see this is 4 plus 2 cycloaddition. This is also 4 plus but different configurations. Now cis disubstituted product gives the cis product, and trans disubstituted dienophile give trans products. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, share it with your friend, and thanks for watching.